Hi, good morning. Today we will see parabola problem. Let us go to the problem straight directly. So the problem given is a cricket ball thrown from the ground level reaches the wicket keeper close. So the maximum height reached by the ball is 5 meters. So the maximum height is reached by the ball is 5 meters. The ball travels horizontal distance of 11 meters. The horizontal distance is 11 meters from the point of projection. Draw the path of the ball. So the method is the path will be parabola only. Parabola. The method we are going to construct this parabola is a rectangular method. Rectangular method. So in this problem, no 5 meters is given maximum height. So this will be the maximum height 5 meters. Next one is horizontal distance covered is 11. That means this side 5.5 and this side 5.5. Total will be 11 meters. So you complete the rectangle. So when you construct this rectangle, no, automatically this will become vertex of parabola. This is called as vertex of parabola. Now by using rectangular method, we are going to construct this parabola. We are going to construct this parabola. Here 5 meters is not given. 5 meters it is not possible to represent on the chart. 5 meters it is not possible to represent on the chart. So take suitable scale. I will take 5 meters is equal to 5 centimeters. That means the scale will be 1 meter is equal to 1 centimeter scale we are doing in the chart. We are taking in the chart. So dividing 5 centimeters into 5 divisions means you will get each division will be 1 centimeter. So each division will be here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 4 and 5 centimeters like this. You will get on the vertical line you will get 5 divisions. Vertical edge you will get divisions like this. Similarly, you divide the adjacent edge also. In this case, now the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 will be there. So here each division will be 1.1 centimeters. Here each division will be 1 centimeter. So by using rectangular method, you can construct the parabola. For example, you take first step will be draw the rectangle you wish to construct the parabola in and divide along the axis of the parabola to give the vertex. So this is called as vertex. This is called as vertex. This is 11 centimeters. Total is 11 centimeters CD. CD is 11 centimeters and AC is equal to 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. So here divide this one into 5 divisions, like you will get one division, second division. You can use geometrical construction here. Third division, fourth division. You will get number of divisions like this. Similarly, divide this one also 5 divisions, 5 equal divisions, because whatever the divisions we have taken, second, third and fourth points will be there. 5 equal divisions will be there. So join these divisions with the vertex. 4 with the vertex, third with the vertex, second with vertex, and first with vertex. So now you from this, now from one point you draw one vertical line where it meets the first vertical line, that is called as first parabola point. From second division you draw a vertical line where it meets the second inclined line now with the vertex, now that is called as second parabola point. Apply the same procedure for all the points. From 3 you draw a vertical line where it meets the third inclined line is called as third vertex point E3. Similarly, from 4 you draw one vertical line where it meets the fourth inclined line, no? that is called as this is P4. Now with respect to axis you measure the distance P4, P3, P2, whatever the distance it is, then you measure these distances and you extend the line, and from this now you measure the same distance. So for example P4 now, with respect to axis you mirror this length, you will get the P4 dash, same distance. With respect to axis you measure P3 and you place the same distance this side, opposite side you will get P3 dash. With respect to axis you measure P2 distance and you place the same distance opposite to the P3, no, you will get P2, no, equal P2 dash. Similarly, with respect to axis, you measure P1 and you place the same distance opposite to that line, you get P1 dash. Now you draw a smooth curve joining all those points, means you will get now you join those points in a sequential order starting from C. From C, you draw one curve joining all the points like this, joining all the points like this, like smooth curve. The that is called as parabola. It is a parabola. So like this we are solving this problem. I hope you understand this problem. For more videos you can subscribe me at by typing at thprasads in YouTube. You will get my channel there. You can subscribe my channel for more videos. Once again, thank you for watching. Thank you.